So we live in a day and age with social media where any of us can become an influencer or a minor celebrity. With that comes some pitfalls and some consequences. Can you share your thoughts on that?
So as we go through life, we interact with people in different communities. And in each of the communities that we interact with people, we create value. And we create value based on what we say and what we do. And as long as there's consistency in what we say and what we do, and we deliver on what we say, there is a reputation that gets born. And that reputation over time becomes our personal brand. Our personal brand is usually, it's just left on its own. It's not cultivated. It's like, mushrooms that grow in the backyard, and there's a lot of rubble around it, and there's no clarity. And therefore, the power that can emanate from a personal brand just doesn't happen. So when we start working on cultivating our personal brand, we will start noticing things that are consistent with who we are as human beings, what we care for, our values, our purpose in this life, and things that are not consistent. So the things that are consistent allow us to produce the results that we want, the success that we want. And things that are not consistent hold us back. And that's where the struggle comes in, and that's where all the effort comes in. So the idea is for us to take stock of our brand, look at the dimensions, the 6 dimensions that create our personal brand, that form a personal brand, and look at how everything is aligned with each other. And once that alignment comes, there's a kind of acceleration that takes place, an effortlessness that takes place in every single community that we operate. Because when we are coming from a brand which is cultivated, what we say and what we do becomes consistent with our personal brand, and it starts to grow. And as our personal brand starts to grow, people want to do business with us, people want to share their life with us, and that's the source of happiness and success in an effortless way.